Consumer Protection Act, I believe, gives enormous power to the consumer. Not many consumers are aware of this.
Sir, under the Consumer Protection Act, Section 2(1)(d) defines who is a consumer. Consumer is a one, it is divided into two parts. One, first paragraph discuss about the goods, second paragraph discuss about the services. Whoever purchases goods for consideration, he is a consumer. And even the benefit, one who uses those goods with the permission of the purchaser, that person is also a consumer. And like that, even services, one who hires the service for consideration, he is a consumer, and beneficiary of that service is also consumer. For example, if a father purchases a TV and son injured because of that defective TV, son is also consumer. And if father admitted his son to the hospital because of medical negligence, if anything happened, son is also consumer, son can file a case. This type of facility is not available before the civil code. This is a speciality of the consumer forum. That's a important thing. And also here the another very important thing is complainant. Not only the consumer, one who is aggrieved, even voluntary consumer organization can also file a case on behalf of consumer, and even state government and central government can also file a case on behalf of consumer, and group of consumers are also can file a case on behalf of consumers. And if there is a death of the consumer, one who is aggrieved, then the legal heirs can file a case against the wrongdoer. So this is a way this is also broadened. Locus standi is bigger than before the civil court. And very important aspect one must know here is what is defect and what is deficiency. Defect is the one which is any defect applicable to goods. If goods are not according to the standards mentioned in the existed laws, then it is considered as a defect. The same way, deficiency, any service is not according to the standards mentioned in the existed laws, then it is a deficiency in service. So if only whoever approaches the consumer forum, they have to prove these aspects: defect if in case of goods and deficiency in case of services. And why the consumer forum is nowadays more attractive towards, by the consumers, because it's a less expensive compared to civil court. For example, if the 1 lakh the amount is claimed before the consumer forum, if that person is having below poverty level person, BPL card holder, there is no court fee. And if other than BPL card holder, if his claim is 1 lakh, then 100 rupees is the court fee. Then 1 lakh to 5 lakh is 200, 5 lakh to 10 lakh.
Boss, just 1 second.
Yeah.
I just came to check if that is recording actually, sir.
Can you check? No problem. We are recording. No problem. Yes.
Yeah. Consumer forum is not like a regular court. It is, whoever wants to file a complaint with less fees, he can file complaint before the consumer forum. For example, one who is having a BPL card, if he wants to file a case for claiming 1 lakh, there is no court fee. Then other than BPL card holder, if he is claiming 1 lakh, then 100 rupees is a court fee. Then 1 lakh to 5 lakh 200, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 300, 5 lakh to 20 lakh, 10 lakh to 20 lakh, it is 400 rupees is the court fee before the district consumer forum.
So it's inexpensive.
So less expensive. And also if anybody wants to file a case before the state commission, then the 20 lakh to about 20 lakh to 50 lakh, it is a 2000, and 50 lakh to 1 crore, it is 4000. Maximum 4000 is the court fee before the state commission. And if anybody wants to file a case before the national commission, then it is 5000. And here one must know before filing a complaint, a pecuniary jurisdiction as well as territorial jurisdiction. It's a very important. So what is pecuniary jurisdiction? It is under the Consumer Protection Act, 3-tier redressal system is there. At the district level, district consumer forum; at the state level, state commission; and at the national level, national commission. So throughout India, every district is having district consumer forum, and through every state is having a state commission and one national commission at New Delhi. and the district forum is having a pecuniary jurisdiction up to 20 lakh, original jurisdiction up to 20 lakh. So, if and state commission is having more than 20 lakh up to 1 crore and national commission more than 1 crore. This is a pecuniary jurisdiction. And the territorial jurisdiction is, so where cause of action arose, where you have purchased the goods. So, on that basis you have to file a complaint before, before that particular consumer forum. For example, if you have purchased a laptop by paying 50,000 in Bangalore city, then your territorial jurisdiction, you should file it before the Bangalore district consumer forum, and then your amount is the 50,000. So, it is within 20 lakh, you should be filed before the district consumer forum. You have purchased it in Bangalore, that is why it is district forum is having a jurisdiction. If you purchased a car worth of more than 20 lakh, assume that 25 lakh. So, then you directly file a complaint before the state commission. If anything, if you hire the service or purchase the goods which value is the more than 1 crore, you should file it directly before the national commission. So, that is the way to file a complaint. That is why one must know territorial jurisdiction as well as pecuniary jurisdiction. Especially in Bangalore, we are having 4 district consumer forums where to file. So,
where are these forums? 4 forums?
4, in different places 4 consumer forums are there. Especially the main principal district consumer forum is in Kaveri Bhavan, nearby the city civil court. So, there itself you have to, every consumer has to file a complaint. They will distribute those complaints nearby where the cause, issue has happened.
If anybody has a complaint, consumer has a complaint in Bangalore, he should visit Kaveri Bhavan and they will direct him where exactly.
They will inform, no, you have to,
just file it.
They will inform which court is handling this particular case. Yeah. So, you have to go to that particular consumer forum. Usually, they will refer that consumer forum which is near to your place. Yeah, in that way. Yeah. And but again, you have to look into the what is your claim. If it is more than 20 lakh, you directly go to the state commission. Yeah.